Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me an email, and when they try to make a duplicate and move stuff over, it gives them these faint lines, these faint blue line. You can see it right there. It's like a guideline, but it's real faint. It only does it when you're like on the corners. It'll give you that angle or a guideline. It doesn't. I don't like it. People send me files sometimes, so you can see that it's on the edge and it's got a guideline going through the edge there. Well, what that is, if you go to View and click on Alignment Guidelines and Dynamic Guidelines, I don't really know which one is what, but with those turned off, you do not get those lines. So go to View Alignment Guidelines, and I'm just going to do both of them. I don't personally like it, but you can see those faint blue line. Well, now you can't really see it. There you see it right there. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.